So we're at the last piece for our horizontal installation where it goes against the eave. Now this is the most common question we get from installers. So here's two ways to do it. First is using our support trim. Now this will go up into the J channel and it causes this nice tension here between the inside of the J and this support trim. It doesn't need to be color matched because it's all going to be hidden by the panel. The second option is to use the rip with the nailing flange from the piece we just cut. Now what's important is we want to turn it backwards so then the Vesta won't dip into the wall, but it'll rather wedge in between this rip and the J channel. What we're gonna do is measure from the top of the J channel to the top of this receiving end of the Vesta panel. Now I have about 5 1/8 here. What's important to know is that when we slide the Vesta panel up, we go to the top of the J channel, and then you want the tongue of that Vesta panel to just get over top here, because we're gonna end up bumping this down, sliding it down, and then it has a tension fit in between the support and the J channel.